Men Islomov Akmal, O'zbekiston Respublikasining Qashqadaryo viloyati Qarshi shahridan keldim. Menda onkologik kasalliklar aniqlangani sababli men bu muolajalarni o'zimning yurtimda ko'p oldim. Dekabr oyida Hindiston yurtining Dehli shahrida Max Hospital shifoxonasiga keldim. Dehli shahriga doktor Samir Katri huzurida ko'rikda bo'ldim.
He came to me with a very big lesion in the optic area. So there was difficulty in seeing also. So we had a discussion in our tumor board, and following that we started him on a chemoimmunotherapy regimen.
Bu davo muolajalarini juda ham olib, juda ham mamnun bo'lganligimni men o'zimda his qildim.
And now we have done a scan just one day prior, and the scan is showing that the disease has nearly disappeared.
Men bu Max Hospital professorlardan, vrachlardan juda ham minnatdorman. Hozir ahvolim ancha yaxshi.